Fitness doesn't only have to be for fit people. If you're starting your fitness journey from scratch, do this little routine to help you build strength. Remember, your muscles might be a little weak, but that doesn't mean you're a weak person. Let's do this. You are stronger than you think. You just need to work at your level. I'm sure you've heard that squats are one of the best lower body exercises to build strength. If you can't do them yet, here's an alternative. If this is your level, it's still very effective. Now, push-ups are a great way to build upper body strength in your shoulders, your chest, and your arms. If you can't do them on the floor, start on the wall. The further you are, the more challenging. Now, if you really want to strengthen your tricep muscles and can't do dips, place your hands closer together and this will target your triceps. Now, you don't have to lift big weight to build strength, especially if you're starting out. You just want to activate and wake up those dormant muscles. Start with 2 to 5 pounds and water bottles will work great too if you're starting out. The idea is to master the technique first. Mastering your form and technique, even with just water bottles or very light weight, will actually help you build strength in your joints and bones. This is the stepping stone to building strength. Now, if you have a hard time getting to the floor but you want to train your core and stabilize your muscles, here's an alternative to the bird dog that you would typically do on your knees. Lean a chair against the wall and engage that core. Finally, your heart is a muscle too. You don't have to go running or jumping to get it working. You can do low impact cardio exercises like this. This is just an example. I have so much more on my page.